We have this term from vein to vein, from when the donator gives their most precious thing they can ever give, which is their blood. And throughout all of our processes and techniques, we actually turn those products into life-saving components.
As clinical collection assistants, we're responsible for safely guiding donors through their blood donation.
The donors come in through the door, they then go into screening.
Where they're medically checked.
They go onto the donation bed.
We just try and make their experience as best that we can.
You go home feeling that you've achieved something.
The minute the donations come to the door, that is the start of the process.
As biomedical scientists, we help process the donation back at our lab in Talbot Green.
We'll test their blood for a specific group and also checking that there's no infectious viruses inside that blood. So we're essentially checking that the donation is safe and also correct for the patient it's going to.
All the processes are followed, whether they go to automation, if they go to QA for testing. That actually is the final process, is it leaving the door, being issued to one of those 20 major hospitals.
The majority of the work that the blood health team does starts when the blood actually leaves. So looking at the customer hospitals and appropriate use at their ends, anything that we do internally can impact upon clinical care. So we've got to keep our eye on the ball throughout the entire supply chain.
So it's rewarding knowing that you're supporting the doctors that are out there.
What's surprising about the Welsh Blood Service is how many different roles that there are.
I'm a clinical skills facilitator.
I'm a biomedical scientist.
I'm a clinic supervisor.
I've never had a job that's so rewarding.
Whoever you are, there's a role for you at the Welsh Blood Service.